Good day, everyone. This is Mr. J, and I'm here to help you out with your math needs. So let's proceed with number 11, shall we? Which states, what is the floor area of a room that is 16 feet by 14 feet? Obviously, looking at the question, it's asking for the area. Now, unless if it states that it was a square or triangle shape, it's always assumed to be a rectangle. So in this case, this is a rectangular room. Now, what is the formula for the area of a rectangle? It is length times width. The length would be 16 feet times 14 feet. Multiply the two numbers. 16 times 14 is 224. Now, because we have 1 foot, let me emphasize it here, because it's a foot here times a foot here, it'll give me feet to the second power, because I see two separate measurements of feet, if you will. So what is the floor area of a room that is 16 feet by 14 feet? It is 224 feet to the second power, or 224 square feet. This is your final answer. Thank you very much for your time.